Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. Want to provide an update here on ticker BWV or Blue Water Vaccines. Looking at a news story here from this morning. It says Blue Water Vaccine shares fall after follow-on share sale plan. So shares of Blue Water Vaccines fell pre-market after the biotech company filed for a follow-on offering of stock. In a Securities and Exchange Commission filing, Blue Water said existing shareholders, including investment funds, Savvy Volatility Warrant Master Fund, and Armistice Capital Master Fund, will sell up to 2.4 million shares. That will include 590,000 pre-funded warrant shares. Blue Water, which is developing vaccines for the novel forms of influenza and other infections, said it had 11.6 million shares outstanding before the sale and that the shares outstanding will be diluted to 13.5 million if warrants are exercised. Savvy Volatility Warrant Master Fund was one of the largest shareholders of Blue Water with roughly a 5% stake, but plans to sell it at or sell all 1.2 million shares in the offering. Shares of Blue Water were down 15%. So let's take a look here at some of the price action, and I had to dig into the 15-minute to really get an idea of what is going on here. Crazy pump and explosion here from the 323 mark up to 712. So that is over 100% rip there to hit that $7 level. But then post-market yesterday or after hours trading started to sell off and continuing to move lower and sell off pre-market today. But I'm kind of want to see here maybe what will happen. I think this thing might have an interesting point here around 485, which is going to put it probably right at or right around the 100-day exponential moving average. I'm kind of curious to see here if it will fall to this level and if buyers will step in and maybe start to rip it from that 485 level. So we'll kind of see what happens here when the market opens and kind of see which direction this thing is going to take. But definitely a big move down here after the story of the dilution there. So that's kind of what I'm seeing here to the downside, and then to the upside. Let me zoom in a little bit. If this thing does start to rally, I would like to see this thing get above maybe the 577 level. Actually, before it even challenges that, I would like to see a close above maybe 559, 560. I think if it could hit that level and close above that level, then maybe it could go up here and retest around the 575, 580 level. So those are kind of some key points I'm looking at to the upside. And if it can get through that 575, 580 level and close above that on this time frame, I think it could make a retest here of these recent highs, maybe somewhere up around 666, 667, somewhere in there. You can see the bodies of these candles here rejecting that level pretty nicely. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on ticker BWV or Blue Water Vaccines. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.